Have you ever wondered what it's like to marvel at the majesty of London's Tower Bridge? Welcome to the first stop on our virtual tour through London's rich history and architectural grandeur. Rising above the River Thames, the Tower Bridge is not just a marvel of Victorian engineering, it's a symbol of the city itself, embodying London's indomitable spirit. Constructed over 8 years from 1886 to 1894, the Tower Bridge remains a testament to human ingenuity. Its iconic twin towers, linked by 2 walkways and suspended by an elegant system of hydraulics, were a feat of engineering in their time. The bridge, designed to accommodate both river traffic and pedestrians, is a stunning example of Gothic architecture, with its ornate stonework and intricate details. But the Tower Bridge is more than a beautiful structure. It's a living, breathing part of London's bustling cityscape. Every day it sees thousands of cars and pedestrians cross its span, while large ships pass beneath its raised bascules. Yet despite this constant activity, the bridge retains its timeless elegance, a silent sentinel watching over the ceaseless ebb and flow of the city. The historical significance of the Tower Bridge is equally compelling. During World War II, the bridge's walkways were closed to the public and remained so for nearly half a century. It wasn't until 1982 that they were reopened, offering visitors a bird's-eye view of the city. As we delve into the history of the bridge, we discover intriguing tales of daring stunts and dramatic incidents. From Frank McLean's audacious flight between the bridge's bascules and the high-level walkways in 1913, to the bus that had to leap from one bascule to the other when the bridge began to rise in 1952. These stories add another layer to the bridge's rich tapestry, making it an enduring icon of London's history and culture. As we leave the Tower Bridge behind, its grandeur lingers in our minds, a testament to London's enduring charm. This iconic structure, with its towers touching the sky and its heart rooted in history, is a fitting introduction to our exploration of London, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Not too far from the Tower Bridge, we find ourselves in front of the imposing Tower of London. This medieval fortress, an impressive blend of stone and history, has stood as a silent witness to the ebb and flow of England's past. It's a place where history comes to life, where every stone and every room has a tale to tell. The Tower of London's origins date back to the late 11th century, during the reign of William the Conqueror. It was initially built as a royal residence and a demonstration of Norman power. However, over the centuries, it has served various purposes, from a treasury and a menagerie, to a prison and a place of execution. One of the most captivating highlights of the Tower of London is the Crown Jewels. This collection of regalia, steeped in history and splendor, includes some of the world's most exceptional diamonds. When you lay eyes on these jewels, you're not just admiring precious stones and metals, you're gazing at centuries of tradition and symbolism. Another intriguing aspect of the tower is the White Tower, the oldest part of the fortress. This massive keep, with its sturdy walls and narrow windows, is a testament to Norman architecture. Inside, you'll find a collection of armors and weapons that offer a glimpse into England's military past. As you wander through the halls and courtyards of the Tower of London, you're walking in the footsteps of kings, queens, and prisoners. You're retracing the paths of Anne Boleyn, walking towards her execution, and Sir Walter Raleigh penning his History of the World during his imprisonment. As we bid farewell to the Tower of London, we carry with us tales of kings, queens, and prisoners that once roamed its halls. Its stories, echoing from the stone walls, remind us that history is not just about dates and events, it's about people, their dreams, their struggles, their triumphs, and their trials. Our journey takes us next to the heart of British royalty, Buckingham Palace. Commanding an undeniable presence in the city, this grand edifice is more than just a building. It's a symbol of tradition, history, and the enduring legacy of the British monarchy. Step back in time as we delve into the annals of history. Buckingham Palace has served as the official residence of the British monarch since the reign of Queen Victoria in the 19th century. Over the years, it has witnessed a plethora of significant historical events, from grand royal weddings to pivotal political decisions. Now, imagine the grandeur of the staterooms, resplendent with their ornate furnishings and exquisite works of art. Picture the sprawling, meticulously manicured gardens, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city. It's not hard to see why this palace is a beacon of fascination for both locals and tourists alike. But the spectacle doesn't end there. A unique spectacle unfolds daily in the forecourt of the palace, the changing of the guard. This ceremony is a time-honored tradition where the Queen's Guard hands over the responsibility of protecting Buckingham Palace to the new guard. It's a spectacle of precision and pageantry, a dance of discipline and dedication. The guards in their iconic red tunics and bearskin hats march in perfect synchrony. The air buzzes with the stirring tunes of the military band. It's a performance that captivates the senses, a testament to the spirit of tradition that still thrives in the heart of modern London. As we move away from Buckingham Palace, the echoes of royal fanfare still ring in our ears. The palace, with its regal allure and historical significance, leaves an indelible impression. It's a reminder of London's rich history, its enduring traditions, and its ceaseless march towards the future. Next, we find ourselves standing before the treasure trove that is the British Museum. As we cross the threshold, we enter a world that chronicles over 2 million years of human history. This is not just a museum, it's a testament to our collective journey, capturing the essence of cultures from every corner of the globe. The museum's vast collection, boasting over 8 million works, is among the largest and most comprehensive in existence. Each artifact, each exhibit, is a page from the grand book of human history, waiting to share its tale. As we delve deeper into the museum, we come across one of its most prized possessions, the Rosetta Stone. Unearthed in Egypt in 1799, this ancient slab unlocked the secrets of hieroglyphics, becoming a key to deciphering Egypt's long-lost history. But the journey doesn't end there. The museum is also home to a fascinating display of Egyptian mummies. Each one provides a riveting glimpse into the beliefs, customs, and rituals of ancient Egyptian life. From the way they honored their dead to their intricate burial practices, these mummies offer a haunting yet captivating peek into the past. The British Museum is more than a destination. It's an experience. It's a journey through time, a journey that spans civilizations, continents, and millennia. It's a place where history comes alive, where the distant past feels palpably close, where every artifact has a tale to tell. As we step back into the vibrant streets of London, we leave behind the hallowed halls of the British Museum, but we carry something with us, a sense of wonder, a spark of curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for our shared human history. The museum reminds us that, despite our differences, we are all part of one grand interconnected narrative, a narrative that's continually unfolding. Leaving the British Museum, we carry with us a deeper appreciation for our shared human history. Finally, we arrive at our last stop, the breathtaking London Eye. The London Eye, or the Millennium Wheel as it was originally known, is a marvel of modern engineering. It was erected in the year 2000 to celebrate the new millennium, standing as a symbol of time turning and the progress of humanity. This iconic Ferris wheel with its 32 capsules is a sight to behold. Each capsule represents one of London's boroughs, a detail that shows the thought and care put into its design. But the real magic begins when you step inside one of these capsules. As the London Eye begins its graceful ascent, the City of London unrolls beneath you like a moving tapestry. You can see the city's many faces from this unique vantage point. To the east, the majestic Tower Bridge stretches across the River Thames, a testament to Victorian engineering. To the west, the grandeur of Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen, catches the eye. As the wheel continues to turn, more of London's iconic landmarks come into view. The Houses of Parliament, with the clock tower housing Big Ben, stands proudly on the banks of the River Thames. The historic Tower of London, once a palace and a prison, whispers tales of the past. The British Museum, a treasure trove of world history and culture, beckons with its promise of discovery. The London Eye offers more than just a bird's-eye view of the city. It's a journey through time, a glimpse into the past and a vision of the future. It's a salute to the city's resilience and its ever-evolving skyline. As we descend from the London Eye, we carry with us a panoramic memory of London's skyline, etched into our minds. This is not just a city, it's a living, breathing story, and every visitor gets to write their own chapter. So until we meet again, keep writing your story, keep exploring, and keep discovering the wonders that the world has to offer.